Under Article 51A, promoting scientific temper and humanism is mentioned in which sub-clause? Option number B, clause H. Question number 2. Kaziranga National Park is famous for which animal? Option number C is the right answer, one-horned rhinoceros. Question number 3. Which organization released the National Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index (MPI) in India? Option number A is the right answer, Niti Aayog. Question number 4. Which article provides for the impeachment of the president? Option number B, Article 61. Question number 5. Who presided over the All Bengal Students' Conference held in 1928? Option number B is the correct answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 6. Who is the author of the autobiography titled The Substance and the Shadow? Option number C, Dilip Kumar. Question number 7. Which country announced plans to bid for hosting a Formula 1 race in 2028? Option number D, Thailand. Question number 8. Name-Drawing Monastery, also known as the Golden Temple, is located in which Indian state? Name-Drawing Monastery. Option number B is the right answer, Karnataka. Question number 9. Non-polar molecules possesses. Option number C, no dipole moment. Question number 10. When was the BRICS group formally established? Option number A, 2009. Question number 11. Which Indian dancer of the Manipuri style won the Tagore Award for Cultural Harmony in 2014? Option number C is the correct answer, Rajkumar Singhajit Singh. Question number 12. When was the Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, incorporated? Option number B, 1973. Question number 13. Lichen is a symbiotic association between which two organisms? Option number B, algae and fungi. 14. The Ramoshi Uprising of 1824 took place in which of the following present state of India? Option number C, Maharashtra. 15. Which scheme provides 1,500 monthly financial assistance to economically weaker women aged 21 to 60 in Maharashtra? Option number B is the right answer, Mukhyamantri Majhi Larki Bahini Yojana. Which enzyme breaks down the starch into maltose in the human digestive system? Option number C is the correct answer, amylase. 17. A process like river bifurcation can create valuable landforms for the environment, providing growth of the vegetation. An example of such landforms is? Option number A, river deltas. 18. Who commissioned the construction of the Taj Mahal? Option number A, Shah Jahan. Easy question. 19. Which of the following materials was commonly used in Harappan architecture? Option number C, Beckett bricks. 20. Who is credited with introducing the Hawaiian lap slide guitar into Indian classical music? Option number B is the correct answer, Pandit Brij Bhushan Kabra. 21. Which country recently won the 4th International Cup men's football tournament? Option number B, Syria. 22. In the context of microfinance, what does S stand for in SHG? Option number D, self. 23. Which season does the Rongali or Bohag Bihu mark? Which season? Option number C, spring. 24. In the Indira Gandhi Canal primarily helps in the irrigation of which Indian state? Option number B, Rajasthan. Question number 25. The temples of South India mostly follow which architectural style? Option number B is the right answer, Dravidian, and Nagara is in north. Question number 26. Which of the following is a famous novel by Khushwant Singh? Option number A is the right answer, Train to Pakistan. Question number 27. The Maholwadi system of land revenues was introduced by? Option number C, Holt Mackenzie. 28. In which year was the Gandhi-Irwin Pact signed? Option number C, 1931. Question number 29. A river is capable of forming which of the following landscapes when the river is in its middle course? Option number D, a meander. Option number D is the right answer. 30. Dhupgarh is the highest peak of which of the Indian state? Which Indian state? 30. Option number B is the correct answer, Madhya Pradesh. 31. Which of the following is not related to the goals of fundamental duties of Indian citizens? Option number C is the right answer, courage. 32. Where was the Women's Asian Champions Trophy 2024 held? Option number B, Rajgir, Bihar. 33. Who is the current governor of Andhra Pradesh as of May 2025? Option number A is the right answer, Justice S. Abdul Nazir. 34. Which festival marks the Tamil New Year? Important question. Option number C, Puthandu. 35. The digestive enzymes inside lysosomes are made by? Option number A is the correct answer, rough endoplasmic reticulum. 36. Which prestigious award was given to Uday Shankar in 1971? Uday Shankar in 1971. Option number C, Padma Vibhushan is the right answer. 37. What is the primary gas responsible for the leaving effect in bread when yeast ferments sugars? Option number A, carbon dioxide is the correct answer. 38. Who was the famous Venetian traveler of the 13th century who visited Kerala? Option number B, Marco Polo. 39. What is the cash reserve ratio, CRR? Option number A, the percentage of bank's deposits that it must keep with the Reserve Bank of India as cash reserve. Okay. So the 40. Which festival in Jharkhand involves worshipping trees and nature spirits? Festival in Jharkhand. Option number B is the right answer, Sarhul. 41. According to Census 2011, what is the sex ratio of India? Option number C is the right answer, 943. Question number 42. Kalamandalam Krishnan Nair was a notable figure in which of the following classical dance forms of India? Option number A, Kathakali is the right answer. 43. Who was the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India for the 2011 census? Option number D is the correct answer, Dr. C. Chandramouli. 42. Helium gas can be converted to the liquid form by the? Option number C, both increase in pressure and decrease in temperature. 45. Which famous vocalist is a renowned exponent of the Mewati Gharana? Option number A, Pandit Jasraj. 46. The sister of Harshavardhana, Rajashri, was married to Dash, the king of Makhadi dynasty of Kanyakubja. Option number A is the right answer, Grahavarman. 47. In the inaugural year of the Nehru Cup event for the football in 1992, which team emerged as the winner of the first edition? 47. Option number C is the right answer, Uruguay. 48. What is the term length of Rajya Sabha member? Option number B, 6 years. 49. Harvesting of rabi crops in India usually takes place. Harvesting of rabi crops. Option number A, March, April. 50. Which one of the following physical quantities has the SI unit of joule? Option number C, energy is the correct answer.